ALEC Peirce at the wrench, and doing one of my favorite jobs, servicing, sharpening, cleaning the chainsaws. Normally you get a file the right size for your chainsaw, turn it around, like that, and you sharpen them. Get the right sized file, mount it into your drill. Now when you do this, a couple of little tips, if you try it. Make sure the file doesn't wobble. I tried both ends of a previous file, and one of them, it wobbled a little bit, which would not be good. So now it's just about as simple as putting the drill and the file in the right tooth, and we just go to the tooth, hold it at the right angle. There's 5 teeth done already. Now, we keep ours pretty sharp. We don't let them get bad, so the tooth isn't too bad anyway. But what do you think? Pretty slick, huh? No pushing, no pulling, you don't get tired. Yeah, I thought it was a good idea. Give it a try, let me know what you think. Okay, that's it. Simple tip. Hope it works. ALEC Peirce at the wrench. See ya.